That was my dinner, my only piece of meat after a long day of work. You think you can just dash in?
So this video you just watched now, I actually generated using this AI tool I've been talking about. This channel, can you see this channel? This channel is getting millions of views. The first one here is 7 million views. And I go over to the internet yesterday. I type how much does 7 million views worth in YouTube, and guess how much? It's $14,000 to $21,000 worth of 7 million views on YouTube Short. Another day with Big Joe on how to make an AI video in less than 5 minutes. Now there was one video I saw, there was one channel, sorry, I saw yesterday. This channel, can you see this channel? This channel is getting millions of views. The first one here is 7 million views. And I go over to the internet yesterday. I type how much does 7 million views worth in YouTube, and guess how much? It's $14,000 to $21,000 worth of 7 million views on YouTube Short. Now this channel in question, this channel is posting short and it's AI generated video. Now you can see you can actually make dollars from what? Making AI videos. Nowadays, if you observe, the dollars, YouTube, as in most YouTube channels that mostly go viral, they are AI videos, if you observe. And secondly, for you to follow this trend, because I call it a trend because this is what is trending right now, AI videos. Okay, so if you want to make an AI video, please watch this video from beginning to the end, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now I made a video in our last class concerning AI videos. Now I'll go to the depth of what for you to understand, because I find out that most people in my last video do not, as in they were complaining that the website I use in creating the AI videos, they were slow. So I've come to realization that truly they are slow. So I've looked for another website to create an AI video. So if you are ready to watch these tutorial videos, please drop a like and drop a comment in the comment section. This video you just watched now, I actually generated using this AI tool I've been talking about. Okay, without wasting much time, let's dive to the tutorial section of this video. Alright, you go to your Chrome. Alright, we're in our Chrome now. You go to the website. I'll show you the name of the website now. Now this is the website, Hedra.ai.com or Hedra.com. Just type it that way. So now you go to create video. Now for those of you that are saying this website is not fast, this is not the same website I used in my last video. So this is a different one. You click upload image, because I've already created one we're going to use. So this was the image I created. So let's go there. So click audio script. Click generate speech. You can use your voice. To do the speech. You record your voice just to apply it as a voiceover to the video. But in this case, we are going to generate a speech. So now here's where ChatGPT comes in. Okay. Now here's my ChatGPT. Now we are going to make use of our keyboard right now. It's saying generate script from an AI talking avatar. Now here is it. So let's go. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to bring. Oh, sorry, this was not what I want. Sorry, this is not what I want here. Let's try it again. So let's say generate a speech in form of introduction. Yes, this is what you want. Now it is generate it. Now here's it, so we'll copy it. I'm just citing it as an example, but you can use your own choice of word. Let's copy this. It's okay like this, then you copy. We head onto sorry. So now here you paste it. You paste it here. Can you see it? So now after which you choose a voice. Now let's choose a voice. This is a voice. Let's check in case if you don't want that one.
Planning a trip to Puerto Rico.
Now in case if you don't want this one.
What's good,
So
bro?
let's choose
This is the only
as the
young black
character.
accent, so you can use.
So look at it here now. Now the next thing is press add video. Now here, this is the most important part of the video, because without you doing this, your picture will just be as a picture. It won't transform to the video you want. So you put hand movement and body motion, body gesture. So can you see it? After which you click on here. Look at it. Can you see it? So now the reason why I don't want to click on this is because of I've uploaded several images. I've generated several videos using this site. Can you see this bill here? 20%. I remember I told you in my video that it's free. So if you click on this thing, because there's a button here, if you click on it, you've already activated the free mode. The free this thing. Can you see free 1 month? So you can create up to like 150 video. Look at the site, you have to say I've already do 70, my percent is 79. Can you see it? So you can also do yours, except more credit. So can you see it? This is how to do it. So you can actually do yours like this and you get the same result. So this is the update I have for you for today. So don't forget to like and share.